Today we will be talking dermaplaning. I'm Aggie, the skincare therapist at Salesiana Cleatops. Dermaplaning is a skin treatment procedure that uses surgical blade to skim the dead skin cells of your face as well as the vellus hair. Dermaplaning aims to make your skin feels radiant, more glowy, dewy looking. Application of makeup will be much more easier and the skin will be much softer. Dermaplaning is there to remove the fuzzy peach hair on your face. During the treatment, you shouldn't feel any pain. You might feel slight tingling sensation. Post the procedure, post dermaplaning, the home care regimen will be suggested, as well as SPF UV protection is a must.